Alright, how's it going, guys? So today I'm going to try to install the headers and the front mount intercooler. So I already got the bumper off. It's over there. Got it up on the stands. So hopefully this goes smooth. Alright, I got the bottom of the thing off. And here's our beautiful headers. So I'm going to get those off now. Okay, so I got the heat shields off, and these bolts are like really on there. I know, right? Crazy. So I gotta bust out some sort of grease to get those off, like some WD-40 or something. All right, I got the stock headers out. Awesome. Now I gotta get the pipe off, so I gotta take all of this off. Yay! All right, I got the top mount off. If anybody knows, working on these cars, that taking them off is easy, but putting them back on is one of the least favorite things to do with this car. So yeah, here's the turbo, the throttle body. So let's get that up pipe. All right, what's up, guys? I gotta go to AutoZone because I gotta get a longer attachment for my wrench because I can't get the top of the up pipe out because my wrench is too short. So yep. Okay, am I weird for thinking this van's kind of cool? I don't know, let me know. All right, so I think I'm gonna have to remove my downpipe, which I really didn't want to have to do, but I don't think I can get to the bolt any other way. So let me get that off really quick. Holy ass, guys. I got the downpipe off and that sucks. Holy, it was like caught on something, but I got it off now. I can get that pipe off. All right, after like an hour, I got that guy off. So now let's throw this bad boy on. All right, yep, you definitely can see it, but I got the pipe with all the bolts in. That actually, knock on wood, went really smooth. I hope the rest of the car decides to follow that. But oh, there she is. So now I gotta get the downpipe attached, and then I can start doing the headers, and then the front mount. All right, wish me luck, guys. Jeez. Yeah, I got a lot of grease. I also like cut my leg open a little bit, but we all good. Also, outfit check: purple, yellow, and black shorts. I got the American shirt, and I'm sweaty as hell. So, all right. Also, I got the best mechanic in the world right here. Yeah, he knows everything there is about cars. He definitely isn't just out here enjoying the cement, so it's really good to have. And I got this guy too. Yeah. Dude, I don't know why like the downpipe is like the pain in the ass, because it's just like in the back, down. So if you're lifted, it's like too high, but if it's on the floor, it's too low. Almost done though. Holy ass, guys. But I got it in. Good. Well, now I gotta do the... I'm almost done with that. God, Subaru be like, you wanna take your sensor out? Good fucking luck. They put this stupid ass, I don't even know, like a lip or something there, so I can't even get to the actual bolt. So I gotta look up a quick tutorial. All right, just went to AutoZone and got the O2 sensor removal kit. Also, I've had the radio going like the whole time I've been working out here, so it's a couple hours, and I swear they play like the same like 5 songs. Like, I don't think they expect people to listen to the radio for more than 15 minutes at a time. Like, that's actually crazy. But also, just got to take that off, slap it on the hole right there, and then then we can start with the intercooler on the top. So yeah. All right, so I got the O2 off, got it connected up there. Radio's now playing some like fuck ass remixes. I don't really know what's going on, but setting up the intercooler piping, got it all right here, got the intercooler over there. So now I gotta figure out where it all goes. Okay, I don't know if I'm missing something, because I got these 2 spacers, but then I like don't have, like I have these 2 tiny bolts, but I don't think they go to that. And there's these like nuts that they don't go to. These go to them, but then these don't reach into the spacer. So I think I'm missing I think I'm missing parts, so I'll have to figure it out. Okay, I got this like bar off because we had to relocate the, oops, can't even see, the washer, or the windshield washer fluid. And, you know, I didn't spill any, caught it all in the bucket. So that's really nice. Definitely didn't spill any. So now there should be enough room somewhere for the pipe. Whoop. Yo, free Kermit, guys, free Kermit. Back at it again, second time today. So that was 2 AutoZones and now only 2 Home Depots. All right, she's bolted. Let's get the pipes. I just took the air box and filter out so I can get the pipe in. All right, so I got this side all routed up to try and get the blow-up valve on. You know, I love when they give you the exact amount of nuts that you need because I'm really bad at keeping all of them and they just fall in the void. So yeah, home fucking stretch. And guess what I just discovered? These are just smooth, so you can't fucking tighten them to anything. So great. Guess where I'm at? Okay, they had it. Thank God. It's a little different, but it works. So now everything is set up. I'm gonna tighten everything, make sure everything's really tight, and then we are good to start putting the bumper back on. Okay, everything's all tightened up, but now I'm having a problem of where to put my horns. So I'm going to figure that out really quick. Okay, I mounted them here, so I think that should be good. Until I'm inside the bumper. All right, she's on the ground. Can't put my front plate on because the intercooler piping's right there, but there she is. And then you can't see the header, well, you might be able to, kind of, like right there. But yeah, let's start her up. So I tried to get on it a little bit, and then this intercooler pipe just shot off, and then my car just stalled. So gonna get that fixed on the side of the road. Pretty cool. All right, well, the install's done. So, I mean, it's been running fine. So hopefully it stays that way. But yeah, it was a long install, but got it done. So that's all that matters. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tight.